In this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can set multiple set bundles. So for that, we will straight go into the product. So here you can see these things over here. So you can see here, there are multiple steps. You can define multiple steps here for your customers. So this is step one, where you can choose any collection or product from here. For example, we already have selected the moisturizer over here. And if you want to add more, you can come down. You can see this tab here, add set. You can simply click on it and you can set the another one here. And if you want to go with the product or collection, for example, we want to go with the collection, then we will select the collection and click on the collection, right? So you can see we have the multiple products over here. So for example, I wanna choose the serum over here. So we have right now we have choose two different collections. Set one, you can rename it according to your own taste, whatever you want. And you can also choose the image for the collection. For example, I want to choose this, select it, and you can see the image here, and same we will repeat it for this. So we will go and set the step image here, like for example, I'm gonna with this. Yeah, you can see the both images over here in step one and the step two easily here, right? Also, you can rename the steps. For example, for me, I will name it moisturizer, and step two, I will name it serum. Now we can define the rules in each set. For example, I will set here minimum 1 per set and maximum 3. And per product, we're going to choose 1 in each, right? So in per set, we're going to, any customer or client can only choose 3 products per set, right? So going down below, we can also set the rules here. We'll set it 1. In this set, we're gonna set it for maximum 2 and 1. So we have defined the sets rules here. So from the defined rules, we have said that the customer can choose 3 items from the moisturizer and 2 from the serum, right? So we're gonna save it and then let's prove it. All right, so you're on the preview page. You can select some products from here. So, but from the defined rule, you can see here 1, and we have defined that the customer cannot choose more than 1 product. So you can see here there's no option more than 1. So we will it's 3, and from the serum you can choose 2 products. Yeah, that's it. So let's do the add to cart. So it's already fine here. So let's do checkout. So on the checkout page, you can put your details here, and from the defined rules, you can see the 25% discount on 5 items. And that's it. Thank you.